Hello everyone, how's everyone going? On this video, I wanted to share with you how I actually keep a track on my YouTube automation channels, and hopefully just by analyzing this data and updating it on a monthly basis, and that way you can start to see progress, right? And whatever things that you put the most amount of energy, that's what you're going to be seeing growing over time, right? So the very first thing that I actually look at month by month, right? This is a new spreadsheet I just made, just for example purpose. But this is just a very simple Google sheet that I use because I'm a very simple person. I don't like to overcomplicate things, right? And in here, what I actually do is I go on my channel, and every single month I just go over like how much views I actually got on the channel, the watch hours, monetized playback CPM, how many subscribers have I gained on the channel, impression on the channel, CTR is the click-through rate, how much click-through rates have I gotten in that month, right? So, and I average percentage viewed. So this is how much average percentage viewed means on the overall channel, right? And then YouTube revenue. So this is can be like the CPM, and this is the RPM, right? So this is the actual amount that we actually get paid, the RPM, right? How much money have I made, and the total video published per month, right? Month after month. So, and these are the things that I actually keep track of, and I try to improve this month after month, right? So the first thing that I improve on is the end screen clicks. How much people have how many people have actually clicked on the end screen that has been shown, right? And on all of my videos, I just put one end screen, right? I know like a lot of people put a lot of things like subscribers, and they put like playlist, they put other related videos. But if you give the viewer too many options, they're not going to click on any of them, right? So it's best to just put one video. It can be your recently upload, or it can be the best for the viewer, so that way you can actually choose whichever video YouTube actually decides. But the thing that I put on my channel is the video that's getting very popular on my channel. That's what I actually put on the end screen, right? So average percent, so this is on the overall channel. Unique viewers, the more unique viewers you have on a channel every single month, the more your channel will start to get traction. And average views per viewer, right? So this is views per viewer, like how many, like for example, a person actually watches one of your video, how many of that viewer goes on the next video, right? So, and I keep a track of this like month after month, so that way I can see if there's any progress on the channel. And I keep a track on a brand new channel for about 3 months, right? Because I want to see, if I start a brand new channel, like what is that channel doing like month after month for maybe 3 or 4 months. So that way any changes, then I can go back to the data and then improve after that, right? So because the first 2 or 3 months, YouTube is still getting data on your channel, and the more data you have, the better decision you can make going forward, right? So again, hope this video helped you out a lot, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and cannot wait to speak to you soon. Bye for now.